Hey guys, today we're going to swap out the mirrors on the old Dodge here, and I'll tell you why. There's two reasons mostly. One is the signal lights don't work here anymore, and to replace those is pretty much from factory. It's the same price as aftermarket mirrors, and they don't fold in anymore. They're pretty much seized. So I ordered these mirrors in from the Amazonians. DNS Motoring was the company I got them from. They were like 250 bucks for the pair. I'm gonna open the box and check it out. A couple things with these mirrors is when you order them from Amazon, they have 4 different options. 2 are black, 2 have the chrome on the outside like these. You can see the other ones are just black plastic here as well. You can order them with or without heating, I believe is the option. They all come powered, but there's a set that doesn't come without the heating element in the mirror, which you'll find is a little bit cheaper. So here they are, packaged pretty nice. That's good. And a nice little satchel here. Oh, they have orange turn signals now instead of the clear smoked. So before I put them on, I just want to check that I made sure I had the 2 connections. One's for the powered mirror, one's for the heating element. We've got our nuts here. I gotta feed these guys so they give me some alone time. Take off these rubber grommets. And we'll go ahead and throw this on. See how they work. Alright, so this is a really easy job. Without recording it, it would take me probably 10 minutes. So the first thing we want to do is pop this plastic piece of trim off. You can use a screwdriver or a plastic tool. My hands aren't working very well right now, but it's real easy. You just kind of grab it and squeeze it and pull it, and it comes off just like that. So we pull this cover off, we see our 3 10mm bolts and the wiring harness comes out, and unfortunately it goes behind the door pad. So we're just going to sneak in here and see if we can disconnect the connectors without taking the whole door pad off. Hopefully we can. Okay guys, I just popped this out. It pops out pretty easy. You just pull it from the back. If you look down inside, if the camera will pick it up, there's a bunch of plug-ins down there. If I pull on the wiring harness, you can see the wires jiggling that go to the mirror, but we can't really access it from here. So next thing to do is undo a couple of these bolts here and see if we can cheat and sneak in there. These little screws on my door pad are a Torx, and they are a T20. Alright, so the last thing you'll have to do is take out this little cover here in the handle, and behind there you'll find this giant Phillips screw, and then you can just pop this cover off if you have 2 hands. I'll just move it out of the way like that, pull it off. Now we just there's clips in here that hold the door in place. They're shaped like this, so you want to lift the door up and then lift the pad up and then pull the pad out. That should gain us access to the wiring connectors without removing the whole door pad. There we go. So if you look down inside there, here's the wiring harness from the mirrors and the 2 connectors where it plugs in. One here and one here. There. Now we'll take our 3 bolts out and remove the mirror. Give it a little shake, crack it loose. Probably be stuck with dirt and debris. Okay, so something I've learned after years of being a mechanic is to test it out before it goes in the truck. So I've just temporarily plugged it in behind the cover. See there, it's plugged in. On these mirrors, if they use the same colored connectors, the black one goes at the top, white one at the bottom. We can't screw them up. They just go in the same way. So, let's check the, okay. We got up and down, all that works. I won't be able to test the heater function of the mirror. I trust that that works. I was just concerned about the power mirror function and the signal function. Puddle lights work, which is a feature that lights up the ground when you unlock the truck. And we have a signal light, so everything's good. So now I'm just going to unplug this and we'll go ahead with the reinstall. They put a lot of foam on the back of this mirror for insulation and just to have a soft mounting surface between the mirror and the door. So you have to really push on the mirror or cinch this bottom bolt up just to compress the foam. But we've got it. Now we'll just snug these nuts up. Everything looks good out here. It's got a good fit. So we'll just continue reinstalling it on the inside now. Next thing I'm going to do after the mirror's been mounted is plug the electrical connectors back in. So now we'll just stick our door pad back on. So just remember when you're putting your door pad back on, just to lift it up, because there's those clips in there, like I said, that mount in a little bracket. So lift it up, push it in, push it down, and you'll be good to go. That's just a very quick and easy way to change your mirror without removing the whole door pad. You can totally remove the door pad if you wish. It's up to you. I personally just like to save a bit of time. Throw this back in. Just like that. Put this cover back on. Screw back in, put on the decorative cover, and that's it. Double check the mirror still works. Up, down, left, right, and the signal. Oh yeah, there you have it. There's a quick way to change out your mirrors. And these are the ones, like I said, I got from Amazon. And they're pretty sweet. They do fold up if you're one of those guys without a trailer. Or if you want more horsepower, you can tilt your mirrors up. These ones fold in and out really nice. We're golden. Nice LED lights in there. Once you're done your mirror installation, the last thing you have to do is take off the tip of this bolt, because it actually hits, as you can see, the paint here. I'll grab my grinder and see if that fits, but on the next mirror I'll take it off first so there's more room. Something to note, this stud is too long. Alright, so I busted out my default little 4.5 inch grinder, 4 inch whatever. And the precision involved to get in there to zip that off was near impossible. Got the Dremel, I don't know, whatever you want to call these things, rotary tool, little tiny zip disc. So now I'm going to go in and see if I can zip that off without removing too much paint. Alright, we are complete. Now Now we'll see if the door shuts and doesn't hit the pillar here. Yep, we're good to go. That's it, guys. And hopefully this helps you change your mirrors out speedy. Just a quick and simple way to do it. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys soon.